Ani, Kenny Pheasant here with our show Endaying. Now, this video is going to be a little different from the others. Of course, I always say that. No, this is going to be a game, bingo game. And somebody asked on Facebook one time, they said, how do you say bingo anyway in our language? Well, there's a couple of different ways that I've heard over the years. How do you say bingo? One of them is gabagewin, where you cover your number or your whatever you're playing, okay? And the other one is tatangbigewin. That's where you use your daubers, okay? And anyways, that'd be our words. So anyways, I want to tell you, play your game. Download these the games, the bingo games. Okay, download them as many as you want, and use macaroni as your covers if you want. That's what we do at Language Camp. So here we go. Bakakwen nui manazwa. That's future tense. Okay. And zitagan minoa wasagang nui dugunan. Mzissin nui manazwa. Mzissin ak nui manazwak. Zitagan minoa wasagang nui dugunan. We managi jagat wabang. Menejimen nui manazwa. Menejimenak nui manazwak. We zokpo wabang. Mskotismen nui manazwa. Mskotismenak nui manazwak. We niskadat wabang. Mdamen nui manazwa. Mdamanak nui manazwak. Week sinamagat wabang. The little boy's waiting for a school bus. Kwejagas nui manazwa. Kwejagansak nui manazwak. Zizabakwat nui dugunan. Pin nui manazwa. Pinik nui manazwak. Zitagan nui dugunan. Wheat keamagat wabang. Okay, here we go. Bashkaminsige bi tojish kweganegan nui manazwa. Bashkaminsige be tojish quegniganak nuimanazwak. We know din wabang. Now, inanimate food. We os nuimanazad. Zitagan, minwa wasagang, nuiduganan. Wawashkesh we os nuimanazad. Zitagan, minwa wasagang, nuiduganan. Khusman nuimanazad. Khusmanan nuimanazadan. Any bingo yet? Oh yeah, this is what I teach the kids. You don't say bingo when you get a bingo. You say nabakanage. Are we getting close? Okay, here we go. Wawan nuimanazad. Bejuetogo. Wow non nuimanazadan. Wigamewan wabang. G-sense nuimanazad. I don't even know it. G-sense nuimanazadan. We aboa wabang. Minomen nuimanazad. We nimki ka wabang. Nui bijizige wabang. Ki gjat, we gjat temagat wabang. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. On this one. Nuim bijizige. And then, Ozawem mede ngashojian. Kya bago bangi dag shop kede manda bijizagan. Nam na pogot. Anyways, that's game one of our bingo. Food, weather, future tense. Okay, there's another one coming with food, but it's going to be past tense and it's going to be eating food. Okay, miwech gabzindo yek minoangoding. Wingezik sana.